Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chico Beats and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing, but your girl is back. So however, in this video I will be unboxing some home accessories that I got from SHEIN and I'm going to put them on the screen. Meanwhile, I'm showing you what I got. So I'm going to do a video what I ordered versus what I got. So let's get into the video. So the first item I got is this. Honestly, I think this is a throw pillow, but look at this. Quality nice. It feels good. I think it worth the money. Like honestly, isn't this cute? I'm in love. I like this. Second package I got is some home. It's a sign by the name of Home, where you can hang your clothes on, your sweater, and your little things. Then when you come in, you just have this, and you hang up your shirt and stuff on it. It's so cute. It is metal. It's no plastic. Okay. And I bought this on SHEIN. Yeah. Very cute. And it also comes with two screws. They're in the bag. So as you can see, these items are going viral on TikTok. Everywhere on TikTok you go, you see them. And I purchased these ice tray on TikTok. Here we go TikTok on SHEIN. So these are the big ones. And this is it. Isn't this cute? Like, who would want to run ice in a them cup when them are drinking liquor? It's nice. It's nice bud. And these are smaller round ice cube ice tray. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. They have some other design on SHEIN in roses and other things. You can head over to SHEIN and get them. So I bought 5 of the small ones and I don't know what this is. Oh, when me say me in love, what means I'm in love? Look at this. This is so cute. In my previous video where I uploaded TMU, you're gonna see some pampas grass that I purchased from TMU. These will go great with these. Like, this is cute. And I purchased 2 of these, a big one and a small one. I didn't purchase the medium one, but they come in a set, but you gotta purchase them separate. Yeah, I love this. This is the large one, but more. So be careful, you know, because these fragile. So this is the big one, and let me unbox that, the small one. And this is the small one. So when you don't say two of them go together, on your what they call it console table, and you put your pampas grass in there, it's gonna be so cute. Like, look at that. Look at that. The hell? I love them. I also purchased some lash curlers. When I'm doing makeup, like when the lashes them no curl with the lash curler, it no look good. But you see when them curl with the lash curler, it look like you have unfused lashes. Period. So if you don't use a lash curler, get one cheap lash curler over SHEIN and curl your lashes before you put them on. I'm gonna do a video on this to show you how I curl my lashes and install them, and you're gonna see the difference. This is mat. This is a bathroom mat. This is soft. Hold on, me to say soft. It feels soft through the plastic. Yeah, it feels good. So this is the size, and it is polyester. Yeah, in the color gray. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna clear these out the way. A bathroom. What do you call this? It's something where you put in your bathroom to put your shampoo and conditioner. Put your shampoo and soap and stuff on. It comes with some hooks and some sticky tape to stick them on the wall. Like, and it is metal at the bottom, plastic at the top. But this is definitely hard plastic because you can see it's sturdy. It worth the money. Manala, it good quality. And it comes with some sticky tape. I don't know if these are strong, but I'll definitely try them out and update you guys so you will know. Yeah, and that's the end of this video. I just purchased some items under 50 US dollar because you know if you're living in Jamaica and custom, we cannot manage custom and custom fee, and I think I pay $1,000 to unbox this, $1,000+ to unbox to clear this. So yeah, it's worth it for the items that I got, and I know that this weighs over a pound. Yeah. So this is the end of this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your girl Shika Beast channel. Bye.